Hello, friend. Today I want to remind you that it's just a matter of time. One of my favourite parts of my job as a recruiter is sharing job offers with people. For some people, it's their first ever permanent job. For some, it's a new, exciting adventure. And for some, it's a longing fulfilled. They've been through our rigorous application process and they have triumphed. And it's wonderful sharing in their success. Our job does not define us, but it's a huge part of our life. To work hard and use the talents and gifts we uniquely possess is incredibly satisfying. To earn a sustainable living and to be able to be generous to others is a rich blessing. If you've ever been unemployed, you all know what I mean. A job is a gift. The perfect job doesn't exist. There will always be things you like, things you don't, aspects of the job that are easy, parts that are more challenging. This is the case for everyone, but still, work is a gift. Applying for jobs and not being successful can make your heart sick. When hope is constantly deferred, it's hard to bear and it can be tempting to give up. One person I supported into work applied for over 100 jobs before he was successful, but he kept going. He had someone beside him to help and who believed in him and told him it was just a matter of time before he was successful, and he was. Whether it's a job application or another challenge you are facing, if hope is deferred and you have not yet seen success, keep going. Sometimes you might need to adjust your course slightly, but rise each time you fall and go again. It's just a matter of time. Don't give up. Remember, friend, today is a good day, even when it doesn't feel that way. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.